Yeah, today just really thank you for our team, our coaching staff, our managers, all our fans. So it's not only me, it's like we all together is 11 all extra bench player also, like together hard work, really hard work today. So before match, so we really like good prepare like how to defense, how to organize, how to counter attack. So I think more than 90% today like the success. So my defense is just, it's not only me, just I'm thankful for my teammates.
How do you assist to my performance?
So yeah, so if we get 3 points is really wonderful, but 1 point is like Persib Bandung home. So I know it's very hard, good team, and then hard when we get 1 point. So thanks to God and thanks to all, so we can improve like next match, and then yeah, just today my comment is just thank you for our teammates.
What improvement need to be made the next match?
Yeah, so after today we have around 3 weeks have a day off. So we improve like training, relax first and few days, and then after we come back, so improve like how to defense, and then the head coach make like the tactics. We just follow hard 100%, and that's all. We just follow 100% every time.